Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. This is the first collaboration I will make this year with Claires Crafty Corner and some other artists. And yeah, I will take the water drop technique a little bit further. And if this sounds interesting to you, just stay tuned. Nice to see you, and I hope you are watching all the other artists' videos as well. And just leave them a thumbs up. It's always nice to have some support from y'all. I'm cleaning up my molds now, and those are new molds that I'm going to use in this video, at least one of them. And yeah, it took me quite a while to get them, and yeah. So I'm taking some UV resin and I'm making my design into the mold, and it has to be a heart-shaped piece because it's Valentine's Day. I took the bottle and put my shape roughly into the mold, and now I'm trying to fix yeah, the shape a little bit with my little stick there and getting rid of the bubbles. And after every step, you have to put the mold under the UV lamp. After the shapes were hardened under the UV lamp, I just took some chunky glitter. Those are heart-shaped glitters too. And I put it in the rim of my mold. But this is like epoxy resin, no UV resin. And if you have some drips of the epoxy resin on there, you have to just wipe it off, because otherwise if it hardens on there, you will see it up in the front, and we don't want that. Now I'm taking my mica powder and I'm dusting it onto the UV resin shapes. And of course, mica powder doesn't stay where you put it, but it stays everywhere else. So I just took a cotton swab and put some alcohol on it, and now I'm cleaning up the rest of the mica. Beforehand, I mixed some epoxy resin, and now I'm putting it on top of those heart shapes. And I only put it on the bottom of this one, not into the rim, but you can do that as well, and it's how you like it most. And this is what it looked like with one layer of epoxy resin on top. After the epoxy resin was cured 24 hours later, I did the exact same thing again. I made with my UV resin larger hearts, and after they were hardened, I put some mica powder on top of that in another color. And after I painted those hearts with the mica powder, I put my next layer of epoxy resin on top of them. This is what it looks like now, and you can see already my next project on the other side. And for the third time, I did the same thing again. I put some UV resin on it in a bigger shape with the heart, cured that, and I painted the same thing with another color mica. And now the next step is going to be different. So for the last layer of this epoxy resin, I mixed up some of it with a little bit of blue mica powder, and I'm putting it only onto the rim. And I will fill the mold up with clear resin. And if you work a lot with resin, you know that it always tends to get sucked into the middle, and I'm hoping that it will take the blue mica powder into the middle as well with it. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you get notified when I load up another video so you won't miss anything. And please watch the videos of the other artists as well. There is loads of fun and new stuff that they show, and let's give them a thumbs up, and yeah, we appreciate that a whole lot. I did another one with the same effect, only the other way around. I started big and went smaller then, and in the end it will have a whole other look to it, and I'll show you. I was going to show you how that looks, or if the mica did went into the middle, but sadly I forgot to turn on my camera, so I couldn't show it to you. But what I did after that, I put another layer of resin on it, and I put some mica powder in it, and now we have to wait till it's cured. So this is the first one I did, and as you can see, the depth comes from those hearts. They look like they are rising up from the bottom. And as you can see here, the mica powder been transferred into the middle. I'm totally flashed with the outcome of this project, and I hope y'all like it too. I think there is a lot more potential to this technique that we realized at first, so I will experiment further with it. So this is the second one that I made, and as you can see here, it looks like the hearts, they going down like really deep, and yeah, I really like it, but I'm not sure whether I like this one better or the other one, so I guess I like both of them the same way. Leave me your opinion about those two in the comment section, and I really appreciate it because I want to know what y'all think about it. I wish you a happy Valentine's Day with your loved ones. Until next time, bye bye.